Hi, good morning. I just found uh, a neat paper on ntexam.net, and it's in Malayali language. And I want to convert this PDF paper into an online test. So as you understand, many of the applications are not compatible with the local languages, and also inputting mathematical expressions or equations or the figures are a big pain in those applications. So how to make it an online quiz. So I came across this beautiful solution, PDFMock.com, which converts any existing MCQ PDF question paper into an online quiz, um, whatsoever is the language, in within minutes. So I do not have to do any cut paste or any typing of content or any image manipulation. And this is working just fantastic for me. I've been using it for some time now. If you're the first time user, you can register yourself by clicking here. You can write your organization name and address, and you can write your name as teacher and your email ID and click on plus button. If you have more teachers, you can do the same activity by clicking plus here, and after that you can click on the save button here to have the access multiple teachers access under the same organization at once. And so you do not have to wait for any approvals or do not have to wait for anything. So since I already have an access, I'm going to click on the login button, and I'm now soon taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. I have two tab here, my test and my batch. On my batch section, I manage all the students segregated into different batches. I can add a student in the current batch or delete the batch or create a new batch. And here in my test section, I manage the test, create the test and manage them to the students. So let me go ahead and create the paper here. um, so I'm trying to upload the PDF paper which we just saw. uh, so PDFs are very predominantly used because they are very mm, uh, efficient in terms of the formatting does not shake, but they also are very stubborn and very difficult to work with. So it's very difficult to cut paste everything from the PDF. So this is the question number one, and it's a single correct question. We also have multiple correct and fill in the blanks in this solution, and all three of them could make up to any objective type questions that comes, whether it's assertion, reasoning, true, false, or data sufficiency. And so single correct is chosen. Marking scheme is for neat examination, 4 marks for correct, -1 for incorrect. You can have decimal marks as well, very easy to do it. And I click on the add button. Once I click on the add button, I take the cursor, crosshair, onto each of these choices of question number one. And suppose second choice is correct, I click on the second choice and save it. Similarly, I go ahead and do the same activity for the question number two as well. And suppose fourth option is correct, I double click on the fourth option, it becomes blue, and I save it. So you can see all these questions are getting created without any cut paste or typing of content, and it's very fast. So even if you have 100 questions, all it takes is 35 to 40 minutes to create this kind of mapping. And then I'm not doing all the questions because this is just for the demo purpose, and I click on the save test, and I Malayalam neat test. And if you have more text to write, you can write in the description section, and you can put the duration as you want, 180 minutes. So right now only two questions, eight maximum marks, but you can go ahead and map all the questions. You can attach a solution file as well here, so that when the student have taken the test, they can view the explanation and solution of every wrong attempt they have made, and then you save it. Once you save it, will be taken back to the dashboard, and here the question has already been created, and there are only two questions. So you can go back by clicking edit and map the rest of them. You can delete this paper from here. You can share it amongst your colleague who are already there on pdfmock.com. This particularly is useful if you have a junior staff, and they can share after creating the test on your dashboard very easily by typing your email and searching for it and then sharing. I'm going to schedule it. So there are two options: close-ended and open-ended. In closed-ended, you have a particular date and time in which you want to conduct the examination. You have the option of publishing the result whatever time you choose. The other is open-ended. The starting time is there but no ending time. So you have to end it manually, and then you can allocate it to the batches you have created from my batch section. You can also allow external student if you want, so that any student can take the test even if they are not in your internal database, and you can capture the results of those students and email ids also, and you schedule it. So after scheduling, the online test is ready to be distributed. You can edit the schedule or stop the schedule from here. You can copy the test url and share it on your WhatsApp group or email id or Telegram channel very easily. And you can see there are as the students start taking the test, you will have elaborate analytics, and you can have a look. So you just saw how I created an online quiz out of an existing PDF without doing any cut paste or typing of content. I do not have to worry about the back end and front end of any application. Student can take the test on mobile or laptop very easily. So you also use this. It's very useful. I've been using it from quite some time, and it has saved me hundreds of hours in creating and managing the online quizzes. Thank you.